Okay, and it's going to bring up all the module, and straight away it's picked up the FRM module, which is responsible for controlling the rear level sensor and the front and your lights. We'll just wait for that to finish. Okay, click onto that. Display fault. Okay, and those are the additional information you have. Now what I'm going to do is calculate the test plan. Okay, you select this and then show symptom. Okay, display, and that will walk you through the procedure of testing the voltage on the loom and various other things. So the supply voltage, the lights are on, so make sure that the lights are switched on. So it says there it is, follow the code which is stored in the testing. Okay, 9CB for FRM rear height level sensor faulty, check that. And this is the module here, that one there on the right hand side basically. Let's continue. Follow the fault, blah blah blah, react, check the line and plug in and connected between. Yes, it is connected. Okay, so click yes, continue, continue, and right height sensor rear, continue. The voltage is at the moment 4.9. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my multimeter and just check on the loom and see what voltage I'm getting. Just bear with me for a second, I may have to pause the video. Okay, right, okay, we're back. So what I'm going to do is I've got a multimeter here, leave that there. Okay, that's the loom. I've taken the sensor out and I'll be measuring between the two pins across here just to see if the voltage is there. If the voltage is there, that means I'm okay with the wirings. The FRM module's okay, and also that this connector is fine. Okay, so let's test this. I'm getting 4.931. That's exactly what it's suggesting at the end on the Easter Plus basically. So that tells me one thing, that the rear height level sensor is messed up basically. Let me grab them and I'll show you what they look like. Bear with me. Right, let me zoom out a little bit. Hang on mate, you stay focused. I'll do that. That's the original one, part number 6778809. This is what's happened over time. This shaft and these ball joints jam up because of dirt and rust and corrosion, whatever it is. And what it's done is it's stressed the joint, the sensor, and it's snapped these off the bracket basically. And this is the one off eBay. I wouldn't even waste your fucking time on buying this shit, because that took me a couple of hours to mess around. What an utter waste of time. So that's going back anyway. So don't buy these sensors. They're about £81 trade from main agent. It's not a huge amount of money. Maybe it is, but I don't think it is. I thought it was well over £120 plus VAT. So £81 trade, and I think that's fair price to pay for something item like this. So I'll be picking one up next in about a couple of days time once it's here. So I'll be wrapping this with a bit of a bag and just attach it with the cable tie there and just wait for the unit to appear, and then I'll pick it up and we'll take it from there. But for now, that's how you sort of troubleshoot the FRM rear height module basically. Anyway guys, you take care and I'll catch up with you very soon. Thank you, bye bye.